You know, there are so many wonderful organizing ideas and trends out there, but I gotta tell you, there's 4 of them that I really don't like. Stick around, I'll tell you which ones. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on this channel I share all my organizing tips, tricks, and strategies to help you hopefully create a little more organization in your home. Now, the topic I want to talk about in this video today are organizing trends, and there are 4 of them lately that really rub me the wrong way. I'm not going to mince words. So I thought I'd talk about them, and like I said, organizing is a very personalized thing. You hear me say that almost in every video. So if something that I mentioned today works for you, I will stand behind you 100%. Use it. These are just my personal ones that I don't see a lot of logic in, and that I think are setting people up to fail at organizing. So let's just dive right in, okay? The first organizing trend that I want to talk about is this color coding everything. What is it called? The YGBIV or something? The red, orange, the rainbow color. I think that's getting way overused. Color coding works wonderfully on filing, like when you're trying to keep your finances separate from all your health records and things like that. It gives you a fast reference so you can find what you need when you need it. And I also think it's wonderful to use in the closet, color coding your closet where you keep all your red shirts in one area, your blue shirts in another. That makes sense because it gives you a reference to hone in and find what you need faster. Where I have a problem with it is when people take it to extremes, like they organize all of their books by color. What? That doesn't make sense. If you have a red cookbook and a yellow cookbook and you're going to put your red cookbook over here and the yellow one all the way over here, that doesn't make sense. One of the basic rules in organizing is to keep like items together. So if you have 2 recipe books, put them together. Don't separate them because they're prettier in different colors. It'll take you forever to find them, okay? Don't confuse picture perfect, pretty kind of things with organization. The idea of organization is find what you need when you need it. Fast, easy. Color coding books doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. All right, so don't overdo the color coding. Keep it maybe with your files. Keep it in your closet. Those kind of things. Do not do it to your child's Legos. Throw all those Legos into one bin and let the kid have fun. All right, don't YGBIV it. All right. Okay, let's move on. Number 2, over-binning your entire home. I can't tell you, I see so many pictures out there and people talking about, oh, look at this great organization, and then they've got a bin, and then there's a bin inside of that bin, and then there's a bin inside of that bin, and or let's say the pantry. They have a bin for things that really don't need a bin. When you are taking, sometimes things come in really cute containers to begin with, okay? And when I see someone take it out to put it in another bin, or they take that nice cute container and they put it inside a white plain bin in their pantry, it makes no sense to me. It's over-binning. People tend to think that closets and pantries and everything, your organization is solved if you just put it in the bin and throw a pretty little label on it. That's not about organization. Organization isn't a look. Organization comes from systems that are set up to support what you do in your daily life. And they're not created by bins, okay? So use your bins wisely, okay? When it makes sense to group something together and it fits all nice in a bin, fine. But don't just bin it for the sake of binning. Moving on to the next organizing trend that kind of rubs me the wrong way. Number 3 is using off-site storage facilities as an extension of your home. Okay, let's talk. The number of storage facilities in this country actually matches the number of Starbucks and Subway restaurants together. Our homes today are 3 times the size they were 50 years ago, yet at least 1 out of every 10 people are using an off-site storage facility, okay? Off-site storage facility. I can talk. Here's the thing. If it is not special enough to stay in your house, it's not special enough to keep. I'm just gonna put it right out there, okay? Because really, don't tell me something special and yet you're gonna go store it in some dark, danky garage thing off-site. That is not a special item. I think Jerry Seinfeld said it really well when he talked about garages being one step from tossing something, because garage rhymes with garbage. So anything that makes it to the garage is going to eventually be garbage. Okay, storage facilities, the same thing. If you are saying it's special and you're storing it away from your home, the secure place that you're supposed to love going to at the end of a hard day, it's not special. Don't tell me that, okay? Storage facilities are great for when you are in the process of moving maybe, and your new home isn't ready and you gotta get out of your old home and you need to put it there, or you're in some kind of transition where someone is maybe moving back in, or you are taking care of someone now. That sort of thing, yes, it's a temporary thing. It shouldn't be rented for more than 6 months at most. So the other trend that seems to be bothering me a little bit these days is the fact that everybody's using a storage facility as an extension of their home. Okay, fourth organizing trend that's kind of rubbing me the wrong way is this picture perfect organizing. Everybody's trying to make their home look like a picture. And here's the thing, in those pictures, do you ever see any families sitting there? Do you see kids in these pictures that look so beautifully organized? No, they are not real, okay? So life is not supposed to be picture perfect, okay? It's messy at times, it's cluttered at times. Even organizers, we acknowledge there are times that our house just gets cluttered. It's because life is constantly evolving, constantly changing, and systems that were set up at one point probably aren't gonna work in this new situation we're in. It's an evolving process. And these pictures, these little snapshots they take where no one's around, no one's messing it up, they look so great and we're all striving for that, and then we knock ourselves, we put ourselves down if we can't achieve that picture perfect house. It doesn't make sense. Please stop comparing your house to all these pictures you'll find on Pinterest, on Instagram, your friend on Facebook who's only showing you this beautiful remodeled section of their home, and they haven't turned the camera around to see the catastrophe that's happening behind the camera, okay? So there you have it. Those are my 4 pet peeves of organizing trends. So what organizing trends really rub you the wrong way? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't leave before giving me a like. It really helps out my channel. Take care, and I'll see you next time. What you do every day and not fight you. And excuse me. He stopped. Nope. That laugh, you can't do that. So cute. I think you stopped. Next pet peeve I have of
You're very fluent in gibberish.
I am so fluent in gibberish. This video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.